Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your KuCoin email. First, log into your KuCoin account using your current credentials. Once logged in, find the security settings within your profile. This is usually accessible from the main dashboard or user icon. Look for the specific option that allows you to modify or update your registered email address. This process ensures your account remains secure and up to date. After initiating the email change, KuCoin will prompt you for security verification. This might involve two-factor authentication or a code sent to your old email. Carefully input your new email address into the designated field. Double-check for any typos to avoid issues. A verification code will then be sent to your new email, which you must enter to proceed. Once you receive the verification code in your new email, enter it on the KuCoin platform to confirm the change. It's crucial to do this quickly as codes often expire. After the email update, take a moment to review your other security settings, like two-factor authentication, to ensure they are still correctly linked. Finally, check your account details to confirm the new email is displayed accurately. Remember, after changing your email, it might take up to 24 hours for the system to fully update across all services. If you face any difficulties or the change doesn't reflect, don't hesitate to contact KuCoin's customer support for assistance. They can guide you through any specific challenges. Also, for other great deals and to find the link for the Owala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.